Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing US oil WTI starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on US oil, we definitely have a downtrend right here, and it did make one more final push down, made like a double bottom. I still think this wave A may be very close to being over and that we are going to end up going up, probably making a three-way pattern up to one of these Fibonacci levels to make a wave B, and most likely eventually back down again to make a wave C. I still believe this is all going to be one big correction to this last move up and eventually end that correction and end up continuing the uptrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it definitely looks like a trend. Maybe this right here is all part of the wave 3, and then this is the 3, 4, and then this is the wave 5. Either way, it does look like it is very close to ending this wave A, most likely going out to make an ABC of B, and like I said, probably eventually back down for a wave C. I still think the most likely place for this wave B to go is probably the 50 or 61% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, this could be that 3, 4, 5 safe that we've been waiting for. We definitely have a double bottom with a big spike, so definitely keep an eye on this because if it starts trending up, it's probably going to turn into a big wave A, eventually make a wave B, and then back up again for a wave C, probably up to that 61, 7, or 50% Fibonacci level that I was just showing on the weekly and monthly for what I think will be an ABC of wave B. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement measuring this whole move down because if this move up does end up being a correction, then it will most likely bounce off a Fibonacci level. Very impulsive, engulfing move. And if that happens, we do want to recognize that and we do definitely want to trade accordingly. But looking at the longer time frames, I do think there's probably a better chance that this is just going to slowly keep on drifting up, making those higher highs, higher lows. Probably all part of a big wave A of wave B. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, so far it does look a little corrective, and like I said, if it does bounce off a Fibonacci level in a big way, make a big engulfing move, then I would take this as a possible ABC correction, and I for sure would be ready to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. But like I said, if this is the end of something, if it is like a double bottom and it's the end of like a wave A or something like that, then this will maybe bounce off some fib levels, but it will never take out structure, and it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. If it keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and never takes out structure to the downside, then we need to just keep on going long at the end of any one of these ABC pullbacks that we may see, especially on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.